Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Let us start this week's analysis. We saw the Aussie dollar try and break out this week. Just fake out to the upside and then dump back down immediately. And this is extremely, I think, bearish for the pair. So we can expect to see more downside coming this week. What I'm expecting is a break to the downside. And then at this point, it will give us a short-term relief rally. And you can either short right here, put your stop loss here, or you can wait for the breakout, pull back, enter here, put your stop here, and then write it down. So this back test should happen at around 0.715, maybe slightly lesser, just right on this line. And then what we're expecting to see is a breakdown, and then a little bit of reaction here, and our full target for this pair is at 0.675. And the time frame for this move to happen should happen around mid-March, where the rates start to kick in. And yeah, so for this, maybe a little bit more choppy action right on this line should happen for us to ride it out to mid-March around here. So from a macro point of view, once the rates kick in, I expect to see a full-on recovery, at least for the short term for risk on.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.